Hello guys, my name is Temidayo Omoniyi and I'm a data analyst for UrBizEdge. I'm going to show you how to use the new Excel data type, the geography data type in Excel. So let's chill and learn together. So firstly, I'll write all African countries. So I'll start with Algeria. I'll drag from here down to Zimbabwe. So I'm dragging. So Zimbabwe is actually the last African country. The next thing I will format as a table. So I can either format as a table from here, the formatter, or I can press Ctrl T. So I'll press OK. Then I'll rename this as African countries. So you guys might be asking, how did I automatically generated all my African countries? So let's go to the internet first and search for it. So I come to google.com, search for list of African countries. Okay. Let's use the wordometer geography info. Let's see. Okay, 54 African countries. So let's see, 54. Okay, that's 54. So I can use this URL. So I'll come here. I'll copy the URL. I'll go to my Excel. Go to my Excel over here. Then I go to data. Then I get data from the web. This is more like Power Query in Excel. So I get data from the web. So I come here. I paste the URL link. Then I press OK. So it is loading. So it is loaded now. So we'll come to the first document here. Search for it. See? Oh no. This has to do with the element and HTML. Table 2. Okay, you can see some African countries. Let's check table 1. So has to do with territory, population. No, we don't need this. So we need only table 0. So let's transform. So we're going to take us to the Power Query side of Excel. Okay, what we need is only countries, right? So we come to choose column. We're going to choose column from here. So select all. I select country. You press OK. Let me rename this to list. So close and load. Getting the data. Data and external data is still loading. That will use your internet speed also. Loading. Slow. So it has loaded already. So you can see the data here, but it actually arranged the African countries based on population. So we're going to sort it now. So we're going to use a function called sort in Excel. Sort of the country. Close. Enter. And see, it has sorted in alphabetical order now from Algeria down to Zimbabwe. But this is in a sorted format. We want it in a value format. So we're going to copy all these. So say Ctrl C. We go up. So we're going to paste as a value this time. We're going to paste as a value. So paste as a value. So you can see now. So after this step, now we'll go to the file. Go to more. Go to option. Go to advanced. We scroll down to edit custom list. So we're going to look for edit custom list. Okay, edit custom list here. So we get the custom list straight. As you can see, it has been highlighted already. Come here. Then you click on import and add. But I won't do this because I've done it on my system. You can see it here, Algeria, Angola, and the rest. So I'm not showing you. So for people asking how did I do this, so this was how I did it. So let's close this. Let's close this. So let's go back to the main data sheet. So let me rename this as Africa places. Right? Okay. So now we're going to convert these African countries to a data form called geography. So select from here, select all, come to data. You can see organization stuff, but we need geography. So come to more, then click on geography. It's going to convert all this data to geography. So it's converted to geography now. So you can see the add column over here. You can click here and let's look for population. So P population. Voila, you can see it came out so far, so dynamic. So let's look for other things like capital and largest city. So capital or major city. It shows busy, that means it is loading. So you can see the countries and the capital. Let's search for largest city. Largest city. I think those time that has to do more with the largest city. That's this. Let's search for image. You can see how dynamic this is. Image. So image has to do with the flag of each countries. So you can see each country flag came out. That's how fast it is. Let's search for other things like unemployment rate. Wow. This is awesome. So you can see you can search for other things you want to search for. Like let's see if what you can look for again. You can see total tax rates, unemployment, tax revenue, subdivision, population share lower than 10%, and the rest. Let's scroll, let's see more. You can see name. You can also see leader's name. Wow, that was awesome. That's cool. Also for energy consumption, let me check this. Oh, interesting. So let's try and draw a map of countries and a population. So Control Shift right, Control Shift down. Selected all. Let's go to insert. Click on the map. See the map. So I like my design dark. So let me use a dark design. So let me expand a little bit so you can see it well. You can see the chart title, that's the map. You can see Nigeria has the highest population in Africa. You can see South Africa, 58 million. Oh, that's awesome. This is Democratic Republic of Congo. This is Ethiopia. This should be Egypt. Okay, I got it. This is Egypt. This is Algeria. So you can see each African countries with a population. You can also do this for American countries, North American, South American, Europe, and the rest. So let's see. If I can get more information, I can always go to the show card and show different information about a city. Well, let's see it from the country first. Let's see. Show card from the country. Okay, yeah, it showed the country map. This Morocco. Shows the capital, the leader, the population, the area, abbreviation, the GDP, the largest city, and the rest. You can see how dynamic this is. So you don't really need to go to Google and search or any of your search engine. You just come from Excel. You can just get geographic data that you need. So I think you guys actually learned 3 things now. You learned how to get data using the Power Query, get data from the web. You also learned how to do custom list and also the geographic data type. So I hope you guys learned a lot today. And this video was brought to you by UrBizEdge. Thank you and have fun, guys. Bye.